Hello everyone, welcome to the another video of Cambridge IT College. Today on this video we are going to see how can we enable and disable the write protection of our USB. First of all, let us know what is the write protection. When we enable the write protection, then we cannot write any of the file into the USB. If we disable the write protection, then we can write any of the file into the USB. If the write protection is enabled into the USB, then we can only perform the read operation. We cannot perform any write operation. So let's learn how to enable and disable the write protection of our USB. So without wasting the time, let's begin. First of all, connect your USB into your system. I have already connected. After that, open the command prompt. Let me zoom it for you. First of all, let me show you that I can copy any of the file into my USB. For that, let me minimize this. Open my USB. Here you see that this is the file and the USB is empty. Let me copy this. Here you see that the file has been copied. Now we are going to enable the USB write protection. So let me open the command prompt again. In the command prompt, write the command Diskpart. If it asks for any administration permission, then click on yes. Let me zoom it again for you. Here you have to type the sum of the command. The first command is list disks. Hit the enter. From here you have to select your pen drive. My pen drive is disk 2. So for selecting the disk 2, I have to type the command select disk 2. If there is any disk like 0, 1, then you can type the command like select disk 1, disk 2, disk 3, disk 4 as your need. Here I am selecting the disk 2. So I will type the command. Here you see that the disk 2 has been selected. Here you have to type the one more command. The command is attributes disk set read only. Let me type the command and hit the enter. Now the write protection of USB has been enabled. Let me show you that. For that, let me minimize this and open my USB. Let me copy this folder into the pen drive. Here you see that it is not giving any permission to write into the USB. This is what happened after enabling the USB write protection. Let me close this. Now let's learn how to disable the USB write protection. For that, open the Diskpart. Here you have to type one additional command. The command is attributes disk clear read only. Let me type the command. Hit the enter. Let me close this. Now let me show you that I can copy the file into my pen drive. For that, let me open my drive. Let me copy this folder into the USB. Here you see that I am able to perform the write operation into my USB also. This is the way of enabling and disabling the write protection of the USB. If you want any other video dedicated on this certain topic, then mention your topic into the comment section. We will try to make the video on that topic. Thank you for watching it.